Hello dear students and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a tutorial video on how to add the institutional Google account which you have received in your WhatsApp group to your Android device. I'm sure that many of you might be facing issues on how can we do this. So you have received an Excel file in which you have your user accounts as well as the one-time passwords. Now let me run through you how you can add the same account to your Android devices and use it for the next 3 years in Guru Nanak College. So let me first open up the account credentials that I have received. So over here, you can see that, hello, you have a new Google account with the gncasc.org organization. And then there is a little write about of the account. Now let me take you through the important part. You have your username, which is test@gncasc.org, and the password which is given is 12345678. Please note that this is a one-time password. Once you enter this password, you will be prompted to change and keep a personalized password for your account. So first of all, let me open up any of the Google applications. So let me just open Google. On the top right, you can see the profile icon. Let us press that. And then here it is listed one of the account which has been added. And also there is the second option which reads out as add another account. So let me click on add another account. And then select Google. We'll do some background check and then we are good to go. So here it is asking me to enter the email or phone. So let me first go through. So you can see the username. It is testgnc@gncasc.org. So I'll just copy paste it and put it over there. So here we have testgncsc@gncasc.org. And then the password. So we have the one-time password as 12345678. So I could just enter that. So here we go for the password 12345678, and let me click on next. Now it is again asking me to enter the password, so let me enter it 12345678, and also it is trying to put up a captcha, so that is LINDSMATSE. Now let us click on next. And then here we have an agreement. So welcome to your new account, and we need to click on I understand. After clicking on I understand, you come to a new dialog box, and here it is asking you to create a strong password. So this is your personalized password for the Google account which you will be provided. This password needs to be kept a secret with you. Do not share it with anyone. So for time being, I'll just create one strong unique password. So let me take it as student at 2024. So you can see that there's a spelling mistake. Let me just rectify that, and the same I'm going to enter it in the confirm. So we have student at the rate 2024. Once you see that both are okay, you can click upon next. At this stage, you are supposed to add your personal password, please. Now we have again short terms and conditions. We need to agree to the terms and condition. I think we are done. So let me just see. So I'll click on the profile account, and here you can see the second one is testgnc@gncasc. So once I click on, I will be able to use all of the Google services using this account. So you can utilize classrooms, you can use Gmail for teacher communications and project submissions as well. I hope that you will be able to use the account properly and you will be able to add it to your mobile devices. So sincere request that do not forget your username as well as password. You need to keep it handy for the next 3 years in Guru Nanak College. Thank you so much for watching till here. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do that. Thank you.